Yo people, welcome back. City Hunters, new day, new vlog from Prague today. Today we're at the OREA hotel and I'm gonna give you guys a room tour. So come along and stay with me. Take care, ciao, peace. Okay, so these are the lifts and I'm on the 6th floor. And well, this is the area. Let me show you outside a glimpse of Prague. So over there you've got a nice road and some offices on the opposite side. So let me walk towards the room. Over here you've got a coffee machine. You can get some nice espressos and coffee. I'm on the executive floor. So this is my room number, and oh yeah, this is by the way the area. So let me get inside the room. So I've opened the door and let me put the thing in the glasses, lights turn on, and voila, that's the room. So what's the thing? Well, over here you'll see a mirror, a big one, so that's quite nice. They didn't have an iron machine in the room, so I just requested one, yeah, from the reception. Over here you've got a bed, so I mean it is a single bed, but I made two single beds you had, but I well made it double bed, so it's convenient for me. So anyway, this is the room, basic room, nothing special about it. A TV which has got YouTube as well. So a desk, always nice if you want to chill, and some bottles of water. This is, and they've got a small fridge as well. So yeah, as you can see, there's nothing in it, but at least you got a fridge. Over there some nice drawers, and yeah, that's it I would say about this room. Oh, I already showed you the outside, so anyway, then let me show you again. This is the outside from my room and the view which I have got. Okay, so let me guys show you the bathroom quickly. So this is then the bathroom. Of course, a mirror, a normal sink, a normal European style toilet, and yeah, this is a shower cabin and a shower, and that's it, to be honest. I mean, nothing special, just a basic room and a bathroom. So yeah, I would say, let me turn the camera first. Yeah, so I would say just a normal 4-star hotel this is, with a nice bed, a nice bathroom, and yeah, more I don't need anyways in this hotel. So this was a quick room tour. Hope you liked this video, and if you did, please don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Catch you on to the next one. Stay tuned. Peace.